Oh, yeah. When I see the morning sun, the sunflowers gleaming over me, I think it's time for me. In the morning, in the sunset rise, I really like it. It really reminds me of you. And I don't know how to say, but it reminds me of you. And I really think that you're sweet. Like the sunflowers above my hands. And really I think it is you. Watching over me, I see you. And I really think that you're sweet. Really kind and nice and polite. And really you're super nice. Really you couldn't be any better. Really it's just the same. I don't know if you think that the same way. I think 'cause you have a friend that's always by my side, always by my side next to me. When the moonlight gleams over me, it says that you're watching me. This song was made by Hazel Connelly, which is me, and I'm the one who made all the lyrics. I'm the person singing it, had no help or, help. The only lyrics I used for all the songs was, oh yeah, from Die With A Smile, like the background music. Yeah, so that's pretty much it.